Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the static compression test of a concrete column, reinforced concrete column with a steel plate with uh, some steel plates here incorporating with a steel plate, and they are connected with rods here. You can see here as the connector between the steel plates. And if I click on this, you can see the stress in the model C. But before that, let me check the compressive damage and replace just the concrete. Here this is the concrete and this is the concrete damage happened. And we can check the exterior edge. Concrete damage happened first between the first, if I click on animate, between the first and the second steel plate, then it propagated between the second and the third. See here. Then the tension damage also happened. The ACL, if I click on ACLC, plastic strain, stiffness degradation, or anything else. Now let me use the stress for instance, and then replace the other parts, for instance here and here, and let me use feature edge, remove the rigid bodies. Here this is the stress, plastic strain, but ACLC, the ACL, displacement. Now we'll replace all. See the compressive damage. See happen first here, then happen in the second stage here. We can check plastic equivalent stress, displacement here, or anything else. We can check all. Also, we can consider the force displacement diagram. This is the maximum force capacity and 2 meganewton. After that, decreasing the concrete column. Then we have engagement between the steel plates and the concrete, and then again decreasing the second stage here. Okay, if you want to learn the static compression test of the reinforced concrete column incorporating with a steel plate as the external reinforcement, you can use this tutorial. So, if you want it, come to our website here, abacusfm.com, find the English tutorial here. This is the English tutorial, or search it in the search box section of the website. Click on title or blue sign. Then you will have the title, geometries, assembly, definition, step, interaction, load, and then the result as figures. And the course contains CA, INP, codes, English video step by step, and the reference paper, and the cost is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Contact me to this email before the payment to tell you the uh, content of the tutorial or more information. Also, we have a full package on our website containing more than 400 tutorials. If you use this full package, you will be a master in modeling and simulation. It contains all things that you need to learn in Abacus from beginner to advanced. So you can see here the main title and then the subtitles. It is about all things. See here, it is about all things. So if you want this full package, the cost for that is 230 euros. And contact me to this email to get more information about the content of the package, the tutorials, the download links, anything that you need to learn. Okay, thank you for your attention.